The first haul of 2021, and it is a good one. I have got so many amazing things to share with you guys. I did a little shopping last weekend if you watched that vlog where I had a little mommy Sunday and I picked up a couple of things there. I also ordered a new handbag, which has been on my wish list for a while, but it was just kind of one of those pieces that if I ever saw it, it's kind of like a unicorn piece. If I ever saw it, I would buy it. I came across it recently, so I went ahead and ordered it. I also have an order from thredUP that I'm excited to share with you guys. I get asked all the time about like tips and tricks about budgeting for luxury and how I afford luxury. My honest opinion is all about balance. I truly believe in balance across your entire life. So whether you're talking about food or you're talking about shopping, luxury, you know, finances, it's all about balance. It is no secret that I love my luxury. I love handbags, I love shoes. So that is an area of my life that I don't mind splurging because it's something I truly enjoy. That may not be your thing. I know it's certainly not everybody's thing. Whatever your thing is, you know, it's okay to splurge on that thing that you really enjoy. But I think just in general, having balance is so important. I was actually introduced to thredUP last year and I really fell in love with the entire concept of their website. I recently sent them some things to sale back, so I'm super excited about that as well because y'all know I do a lot of shopping. I'm purging my closet constantly. Most of the time I usually donate, or if I sell things, I will donate the money that I make back. I plan on doing the same with the items that I'm selling to thredUP. This is a perfect example of balance. This is a really great way. They are the largest online thrift store. They have a huge variety of name brand, luxury, and just closet essentials that most of us are already shopping for, but at a fraction of the price. I've got some Madewell, some Free People, and some Lululemon, which I'm super excited about. They've got every brand that you could possibly think of, up to 90%, and the website is super easy to navigate. I usually filter through my size and then all of my favorite brands and then shop that way. It's really easy. So let me go and share some of the things that I got. I also just have to mention that they seriously have the cutest packaging. So when your package arrives, it's like opening a present. It's so cute. And look at that really cute polka dot like signature thredUP tissue paper in there as well. This was my largest box and I can already see all of the things in here. I'm super excited to try all this on. So I went ahead and grabbed my computer so I could tell you guys some pricing information. I've got a lot of pieces to go through, so I'm gonna try to go through them pretty quickly, but I'm super excited about this piece. This is from Free People and this one retails for $98 and I paid $20.80 for this, you guys. I loved the color. So I feel like I might be able to wear this as like an oversized dress. Maybe not, I'll try it on and see, but I thought this was really fun, perfect for leggings. Next up is another Free People item. I loved all of the detail in this dress. This is an extra small, and this one retails for $128 and I got it for 56 bucks. I think this is so cute. It's like a little off the shoulder number. Isn't that so adorable? I love this piece and I feel like it's gonna be one of those pieces that I can pull out every spring and summer. Next up is another, I think this one is from Free People as well. Yes, this is from Free People. I love the pattern and the print of this one. This one also retails for $128 and I got this one for 32 bucks, you guys. So almost $100 off. This is so cute. I could totally see this in the spring with some like booties, but then also going into the summertime. Isn't that color so pretty? I love this. I got this in, I think it's a size small. Let me guess. This is a small. Y'all know how much I love my hoodies, and I saw this Adidas hoodie. This one retails for, I think, like 95 bucks. I paid 25 bucks for it, you guys. Again, this is gonna be one of those pieces that I can just wear around the house or throw it on with leggings to work out on, especially if it's a little bit colder. I liked the color, so I thought this one was just like a perfect kind of casual loungewear piece that I could have in my wardrobe. Next up is this super cozy Zara knit. It's like a distressed knit cardigan. Isn't that so much fun? This one retails for 30 bucks. No, I'm sorry. This one retails for, This one retails for $50 and I paid $24. So I saved just over 50%. But I love this. If you look really closely, you can see like all of the distressing. I think that's super cute. I could see this just with some skinny jeans or leggings, a basic tee or cami, and some like sneakers or booties, right? Isn't that so cute? And the material is super soft. Really like this piece. Next up is another Free People item. This one retails for $148 and I paid 36 bucks for it. It is super, super soft. I got this in a medium, but it looks like almost like a cropped sweater, but it's got this like oversized cow neck. I am super excited about this one. It is so soft and cozy. I love Free People sweaters, so why not save a little money on them? This was actually one of my favorite pieces that I saw online. This is from Madewell, one of my favorite brands. This retails for 98 bucks and I paid 50, and it seriously looks brand spanking new. Isn't that just the cutest little sweater? It's got the little side slits here on the side. I think this is really cute. It's a really nice lightweight, which is perfect for Texas weather. So whether you're looking for a pair of joggers or a luxury scarf, make sure to check out thredUP. Like I said, they have everything you could possibly think of, up to 90% off of retail. I do have a coupon code, so I'm gonna pop it on the screen right now. Make sure to use that coupon code to save an extra 30% off your first order. The link will be right down below this video in the info box. Thank you so much to thredUP for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's go and get to a lot more goodies. And I did end up getting that red plaid. I love the color combo with this plaid so much. I will say now that paying full retail for this, and I ended up getting a rails plaid from thredUP, it feels a little bit silly. They do have a ton of rails options though, by the way, but I do really love this. I think the color combo is nice, and I don't have any plaid shirts in this exact color. Isn't that color pretty? I really think this is pretty, so I went ahead and decided to go ahead and splurge and get this one. We're gonna save this one for last, but I do have 3 pair of shoes to share with you guys. So I ended up ordering a pair of Valentino shoes. Now I will say I will not be able to wear these probably for a while, but I had a credit, I wanted to use them, and these have been on my wish list for quite a while, but these are gonna be go-tos for spring and summer for sure. And y'all know how much I love Valentino, but I ended up getting these espadrille wedges. Are these not so much fun? And they're in like this like rose gold kind of champagne color. I love these. I did go true to size. I think no, these only came in whole sizes, so I either had to get a 36 or a 37, and I went down to a 36 and they fit perfectly, but they are so comfortable. I love my Valentinos. Like, I love rock studs. I get asked all the time if I think they're classic and if they'll go out of style, and I absolutely do not think they will go out of style. I think they are a very, very classic shoe, but aren't these so pretty? Oh, I love them. And these are the 2 pair of shoes that I ended up getting while I was shopping with my son, both from DIOR. I am super excited about both, and they are like polar opposites, one really, really casual and one really, really, really dressy, but I'm super excited about both of them. So the first pair that I got, these have also been on my wish list for a while, but I hadn't had a chance to try them on in my size. They had my size. They had 2 pairs of these left. One was my size and one was like a 40 or something like that. It felt like a sign, like I needed to go ahead and get them. And they are the DIOR slingback heels in this nude color. I have been loving these shoes for so long. I have been drooling about some of the other colors, but I knew I wanted the nude pattern, and they're really, really hard to come by. They actually didn't even have this color for a really, really long time. So I don't know if they just launched this heel height in this color, or if it's just like a really, really rare find. I think they just launched it because they did have this color in the short, like lower version, and I wanted the higher version. I wanted the height. Aren't these so beautiful? Classic, timeless. But because of this little touch right here, I think it adds like that modern trend to it. So they're a classic pump. It's a slingback. These are not going to go out of style, but there's something really fun and playful about the slingback detail. Aren't those really fun? I need to wear heels more often. I feel like we have all gotten into the sneaker trend, which I also love, but I miss wearing heels. I really, really do. I love wearing heels. And the last pair of shoes that I want to share with y'all are these. These, again, these were kind of an unexpected purchase. I wanted to get a pair of these, but I wasn't sure which pair, but I tried these on and I loved the way they looked on, and I just had to have them. They are the DIOR slip-on sneaker. Are those not so much fun? I love that they have a little bit of chunk to them, but they're not too chunky. I feel like some of the shoes that designers are coming out with are just, they're too chunky. That I can't do the super, super chunky, especially since I'm short. These are the perfect amount of that chunkiness that's like on trend and totally in right now, but not too much. It's not too overpowering for, you know, my height. I think these are really great. And again, classic oblique, they're not gonna go out of style anytime soon. I could totally wear these with my Montaigne. The color is perfect. I really, really love these. These are gonna be a year-round sneaker for me, for sure. And the last item that I want to share with you guys is a Chanel purchase. So this one I did buy pre-loved, but I will say it is in pristine condition. I think it still even has like the stickers over the hardware. It is literally in perfect condition. So almost brand new, if ever even used. This is one of those pieces that I always knew if I ever came across it, if I ever found it, I would purchase it. There is another option that I wanted instead of this. It was either that one or this one, and I ended up finding this one first, so I went ahead and ordered it. Let me go ahead and pull her out. We've got a little dust bag here. Here is the little dust bag, so cute. And it is the filigree in the nude on nude in the small size. So I actually do have this filigree bag, same exact size, but with the black piping. So I actually had this bag and then this bag I will pop a picture on, and I wanted one or the other in a solid nude, and whichever one I found first was the one that I was gonna go ahead and purchase. I'm actually glad that I found this one because it is just in pristine condition. I talk about how much I love my filigree bag all the time, but I don't wear a lot of black, which you guys know, it's no surprise. I've said this before, I don't typically like buying multiple bags in different colors, but this is just one of those bags that I felt it was worth making an exception for. Like I said, I don't reach for the filigree with the black piping that much because I don't wear a ton of black. This one I know I will reach for a lot more because I do wear a lot of this color. So you can wear it longer and do it crossbody, or you can double it up and, you know, wear it on your shoulder or handheld. I just love this piece. I love the fact that it's a single flap. Comparing it to like a classic flap, they're really, really easy to get in and out of. It's also the perfect size. And I want to say yes, so it still has, if you look there, you can see the blue. It still has the sticker over the hardware. It is in perfect condition. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Hopefully it'll focus, but look at those corners. It is in perfect condition. Look at the pebbling. It is just a stunning piece. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I had some gift card money from Christmas, so I went ahead and splurged on it and went ahead and took this off of my wish list. Love the gold hardware. It's a very, very lightweight bag, especially when you compare it to like a classic flap. Like my medium double is a lot heavier than this piece. And even though I love that bag, I actually think I might wear this one more often because it is a lot easier to get in and out of because of the single flap. But you still have that beautiful Chanel interior. Oh, I just love this piece. I told you it's gonna be a really good haul, you guys. My first haul of the year, and I'm not quite sure how I can top this. As always, I will make sure to link everything down below in the info box. I'd love to know what was your favorite thing, your favorite find of this video. Don't forget to check out the link down below, as well as use my coupon code. I'll pop it on the screen to get an extra 30% off your first order with thredUP. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. It is so nice to meet you. I do luxury, fashion, lifestyle videos here, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification button, so you can join my YouTube family. Before you head out, make sure to check out one of these, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Do you miss me at all?